Now comes the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. All of them have different functions. The 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They connect us to our surroundings. First one is the eyes. Our eyes helps us to see. Each eye consists of eyeball which is safely set in a deep hollow socket. A fluid is present in the eyeball which protects the eyes from the shocks. Eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyeballs from the dirt and dust. A circular transparent area is present in front of the eye is called cornea. The colored part is called iris, and the iris has an opening in the center called the pupil, and pupil is like the black spot through which the light enters the lens. Then light travels through the pupil to the retina. The retina is present at the back of the eye, and the sensory nerve which is called optic nerve connects the eye to the brain. Optic nerves passes the message coming from the retina to the brain. So how can we care of our eyes? Here are some steps. Firstly, wash your eyes on regular interval with cold water. Always read in proper light. Too bright or too dim light harms our eyes. So always maintain a distance of 25 cm while reading a book. Do not lie down and read. Do not read while traveling because this will strain your eyes. Always use your own towel to clean your eyes. This avoids the cause of infection. Do not play games on computer or other gadgets for a long time. This can affect your vision. If you find it difficult to read the board in the class, go for an eye checkup. Next comes the ears. Our ears help us to hear. The outer part of the ear that we see and can touch is called outer ear. Sound enters through the outer ear and then passes into the middle ear. Eardrum is present in the middle ear. The eardrum is connected with 3 tiny bones. When sound enters the eardrum, it starts vibrating. The vibration passes along these bones, and this vibration then passes through the inner ear, and the nerves in the inner ear send messages to the brain. So here are some steps so that how can we care of our ears are: dry your ears well after taking bath. Do not use earbuds to clean your ears. Dry your ears immediately after swimming. Visit a doctor if you have earache. Now comes the next part is nose. Nose helps us to smell and breathe. Nasal cavity is present inside the nose. Special hair-like structures are present in this cavity. The function of this hair is to produce nerve signals that are passed to the brain. Then the brain tells us what kind of smell in the air. They also trap dust and germs and prevent them from going into our lungs. So we should always breathe through the nose. Here are some steps to follow for the care of the nose. First one is gently blow your nose to clean the nostrils. Then inhale steam if your nose is blocked due to cold. Do not pick your nose. If it is unhygienic and could be dangerous. Next part is a tongue. We taste and speak with the help of our tongue. So taste buds are present on the surface of the tongue. When food touches the taste buds, then the brain tells us what taste it is. Then the tongue is sensitive to different tastes such as sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Next part comes the skin. Skin protects the internal organs. It covers the whole body. The skin allows us to sense heat, cold and pain. Nerves below the skin gather information and send it to the brain. So here are some steps to follow for the taking care of the skin. First one is the skin should be cleaned regularly. Always use a separate towel to dry your skin. Use a mild soap to bath. Consult a doctor in case of a skin injury or burn. So these are all the explanation. Thank you.